Hey Royce, this is Royce. I'm going to show you how to upload something with coreftp, and then I'm going to show you how to link to that in your online course so you don't forget. So here we go. The first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure in Storyline that we've published the project, and make sure that you've published it for the web, and that's all you'll need to do at this point. Then you'll want to locate where the file is located, and then so for this one we will go ahead and do academic libraries. So we're going to copy it from its original location, and we're going to paste it in here, and it's just going to take it a second here as we see that it's copying everything over. Okay, so we see that it's copied this academic libraries folder over. I want to rename it, and basically that's just because I want the title to be all one word, like that. So there we go. So let's go ahead and we'll open up coreftp, and we're going to go go into the file, because we put that in a folder called My Articulate Projects. So in coreftp, this is a layout of your My Washburn stuff. So we'll go ahead and click on My Articulate Projects. You'll see the academic libraries is in there, so we'll click on that. And then we'll click on this button right here that will send it all online. And then we'll just wait for that to load. Okay, now we see that we have a folder over here called Academic Libraries, and if we click on that, the actual file that we'll want to make sure that we link to in our course is going to be this story.html file, and it'll be at the end of this URL that we see right here, Academic Libraries. So if we go out to our browser, we'll basically want to take this section of the URL and put in the phrase academic libraries. And let's see here, I think maybe we needed to do this, academic libraries. And there we go. So it does look like it is. So let's go ahead and mute that real quick. So it does look like that it is font specific, so you'll want to make sure that you realize that. And then you can take this URL here and copy it, and then you can go into d2l. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick as well. And then so this is academic library, so let's just go ahead and we'll add it to the sandbox for here. And then we'll go to content, and we'll go to academic libraries, and we'll see here that we have a couple of these supposed webcast here, but we're going to go ahead and add a new link, and we're going to go ahead and paste that in, and we're going to call it academic libraries. We're going to give it the name lesson, and we want it to open in a new window, and we're going to create it. So there we go.
Welcome to our discussion on.
There we go, right?
In part one.
So we know that that is going to work pretty well. And one of the things that I think is an advantage to this is if they're having a problem, you can send them directly to that URL. So here we go. Nice.
Welcome to our discussion on